Hi everyone, I'm Miss Neve. So this week's activity is for Jolly Phonics and it's a really fun washing up activity. So it's based off the letter sounds that we've been doing in the Zoom call. So this is the book that's got the letters that we've done so far. So this is phase 1. The letter sounds that we've done so far is an S, so it's a S sound. I've got a P, so it's a P sound. I've got an A, so it's an A sound. Next I've got a T, so it's a T sound. And lastly I've got an N, so it's a N sound. So the materials that you'll need for this activity is a bowl of warm soapy water, and I've got another bowl full of clean water to rinse the items and toys in. And I've got a towel to dry them. You could put a towel underneath as well. If you're doing this on the floor, you could use it in the sink. And I've got a sponge as well, so you can use any brush of any kind so the children can feel the textures. And this activity is really good for the fine motor skills as well. Here I've got all my objects, so we're doing that off the Jolly Phonics letter sounds that we've been doing in the Zoom call. So the first one I've got is an N, which is a N sound. So for N, I've got nail polish. Then next, I've got a T, which is a T sound. So for this, I've got a tin. Then next, I've got A, which is an A sound. So for this, I've got a red apple. Apple. So the next one is a P, so it's a P sound. So for this, I've got a pan, and I also have a plate. And lastly, I've got an S, which is a S sound. So for this, I've got spoons. So I've got one big spoon, I've got one small spoon. So we're going to start firstly by playing a game. So I want you to go around the house and find objects beginning with the letter sounds that I've just shown you. And it could be anything, it could be toys, it can be objects in the house, just as long as you can wash them. So I have a tin for T. So what you're going to do is you can get the sponge and you're going to put it in the hot soapy water, and you can wash it, and you can sing along to the Jolly Phonics songs as well. So you can wash it, then you're going to put it in the other water to rinse it, and then you can get the towel and then dry it off. So it's really good to strengthen their hands when you dry little things like this. So that's for T. So here I've got an apple, it's a red apple, so that's for A. So you're going to wash it again. And the Jolly Phonics song is when you have the fingers on the arms and you go ants on your arms. So you're going to wash it like that. You're going to put it in the clean water again, and then dry. Remember to be careful with all the objects that you're washing. So you could either do it on the floor with a towel down not to break anything. So there's nail polish. So I hope you have a really good time doing this activity. Please don't forget to send videos of your child in the activity as well, and please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.